welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I appreciate it. Okay, first things first, if you are new here,
first off, welcome.
Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I appreciate you so very much. All my old time subscribers, I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all so much for clicking on this video as well. Okay, as you can tell by the title of this video, it's gonna be a little ignorant, only because this is my first time ever really doing like a drawstring ponytail. We just gonna let the 5 hedges flourish on today. Amen. Y'all know if you are a subscriber, and if you are not, I'll just wait for you to go ahead and click. Go ahead and click it. Thank you so very much for doing so. All right, so now that you are a part of the fam bam, so I want to thank HerGivenHair for sponsoring this video.
Where do you get a coin with that?
I like it. All right.
You will get a box like this. Inside the box will be another box that you will pull out. And then whatever you bought, of course, will be in here. I like about HerGivenHair, they always supply you with extra clips just in case. They give you all of the necessary information. And then you get a very detailed HerGivenHair booklet that just kind of tells you, you know, how to care for it. With detailed instructions and pictures, which I think is very helpful and thoughtful, and I feel like they took the time out to make sure that your hair is gonna look like it's coming out your scalp. That's the goal. Okay, so when you receive your ponytail, it's going to look like this. Alright, so it's just a color 1B, but y'all know I've dyed my hair, so I'm gonna go ahead and probably dye this ponytail to match. This is also the 16-inch. And of course, you have your 2 clips, and then you have your drawstring. Child, we finna take it back to Nisi or Moesha. I'm finna be drawstringing it all the way and up and through, okay? I'm excited. Y'all excited? I hope so. Stay tuned, all right? So this is my first time using the Dark and Lovely Go Intense. I chose the Passion Plum color because I feel like it's gonna come out cute. And I chose this because it's ultra vibrant color on dark hair. And I think I remember a while ago trying to dye the HerGivenHair and it did not take too well. I don't have any bleach or anything like that, so I'm praying to God all day that this will work. If not, I'm just gonna have to just rock it as a natural color. Okay, y'all, so I have dyed the hair. You can barely see the color. You can see it way better in person, and I'm sure the sun is really going to highlight it, but yeah, that's the only thing about HerGivenHair. It doesn't really pick up colors, like you need to kind of lift the hair. So yeah, we just go ahead and make this work. We're gonna go ahead and speed up the video and get into it. I'm gonna slick this back. All right, here we go.
You know, babe, when you hold me and kiss me slowly, it's the sweetest thing, and it don't change. If I had my way, you would know that you were. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine and rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. Know you're the star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far. If life is a movie, you're the best part. You're the best part. Best part.
It's the sunrise and those brown eyes. You're the one that I desire. When we wake up and then we make love, it makes me feel so nice. You're my water when I'm stuck in the desert. You're the talent all I take when my head hurts. You're the sunshine of my life. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far. If life is a movie, then you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh. won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you?
You know, babe, when you hold me and kiss me slowly, it's the sweetest thing. And it don't change. If I had my way, you would know that you love. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it